Hello, my name is Warren Tutwiler. I am from Centerville, Ohio, which is just south of Dayton, Ohio, the birthplace of aviation, and I am studying to be a teacher. I desire to be a mathematics teacher in high school. I possess the following dispositions that will make me a successful teacher. I believe that all students can learn and that I should set and support realistic expectations for student success. I believe that teachers make the foundation that allows students to learn for themselves. I believe that I should promote social justice and equity, and that I should maintain appropriate standards of confidentiality and exercise fairness in all areas, including assessment. I should also exercise sound judgment and ethical behavior. I should be the model for the students themselves. I should model integrity as well in my words and in my actions. I will demonstrate professional friendliness, warmth, and genuine caring in my relationships with others while providing intellectual, emotional, and spiritual support. And I am committed to the profession of teaching and learning. I have been a learner for all my life now, and I desire to teach others what I know. The dispositions that I need to work on, however, as before I enter the classroom, are that I need to be sensitive to individual learning and social needs of students and embrace cultural diversity of the community. I know this is a weakness of mine and something I need to work on. And also that I understand the effect of community involvement and servant leadership as it applies to the welfare of others in the educational setting. I'm not very outgoing yet, and I know that I need to be more proactive in that respect. And the next question is, what does a professional educator look like, and how do they behave? What standards guide their thinking and actions? Well, to answer this, I would say that my guiding standards are love one another, treat people as I would want to be treated, and show everyone kindness and fairness. That's how I live my life now, and that's how I believe I will live my life as a teacher as well. I believe I should be an upstanding citizen and not cause scandal, and be a model, a role model for those that will be learning from me. Thank you for your time.